What's up everyone, this is Dr. Mo and welcome back to another video. Today I'll tell you guys 4 different ways you can save a tooth because of an accident that you had. So let's say it's a beautiful sunny day outside with nice weather. You want to go out and enjoy it. You go out in your backyard, you're playing around, you trip, you hit something hard and your tooth falls out. How are you going to save your tooth? What are the things that you can do to save your tooth before you go see the dentist? Obviously I'm going to wash my tooth under running water. No, you're not. What if I wrap it in a napkin or a gauze? You definitely do not want to wrap your tooth and keep it dry in a napkin or a gauze. How about I place it in a water cup? Please don't put your tooth in a water cup. Okay, so what should I do? 4 different things you can do to save an adult tooth that fell out of your mouth. Number 1, there are commercially available solutions that are able to protect your tooth and keep it safe long enough for you to go see the dentist and have them restore your tooth. The brand name of those products depends on where you live, but in the US there's a product called Save a Tooth and it is approved by the American Association of Endodontics. What if I don't have this tooth saving solution? That's still okay, you can use milk or egg whites. What? Milk and egg whites provide nutrition that is needed for the cells that cover our teeth, and they have a very small bacterial content. That's why they're good at keeping your tooth safe. What if I don't have access to milk or eggs, like I'm playing with my kids in a playground or something like that? That's still okay. What you can do is place the tooth in your cheek and go see a dentist right away. This is not an ideal solution because saliva has some bacteria and those bacteria can harm the cells that cover our teeth. But it's better than keeping the tooth wrapped in a napkin or gauze or drying the tooth, because that's when the cells around our tooth die and we can no longer save that tooth. The reason why we want to keep a tooth that has fallen out in one of those 4 different solutions is because we want to protect the cells around our tooth for as long as possible, so those cells remain alive when we put the tooth back in and they are able to regenerate and create a stable connection with the bone around the tooth that had fallen out. So to wrap everything together, if you have a tooth that falls out because of an accident, don't keep it dry, don't store it in a napkin, and do not wash it with running water because water kills the cells around the tooth. Keep it in a tooth-saving solution, in milk, egg whites, or in saliva until you go see a dentist. But make sure you go see the dentist right away, because the sooner you see the dentist, the more likely they are able to save that tooth. If you have any comments or questions, please share them with me and I'll make sure I answer each and every one of you guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day.